I thought we did this last year. Okay, let's start with the unboxing. AirPods Pro. This wasn't supposed to arrive till tomorrow. What am I gonna do now? I know. As I didn't know the AirPods Pro was gonna come a day earlier, at least now we know what my next video is gonna be. Stay tuned for that and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's put that to one side and let's get into this. Okay, we're back in. As you can see, as with all Hermes products, at least the ones that you buy directly from the store or online, it's beautifully presented, you know, with this nice ribbon. I believe if you get it from the Apple store, it may come in plastic, but I'm not sure. But I prefer this presentation by far. So let's have a look. And you may be wondering, why have you got another AirTag? You've already got that for your keys. Well, as you'll see in a minute, this is not for my keys. So let's just get rid of the ribbon. Once again, great presentation. Using this felt material, and it says Apple AirTag Hermes because of the collaboration. So what have we got? As you can see, this is obviously not for keys. So we have the AirTag itself, which I'll show in more details soon, with Hermes branding. We have very similar to the keyring. We've got the leather part where the AirTag goes in Rose Sakura, and this strap here. So this is actually a bag charm, which I will literally put on the bag for you after setup. Let's take it out the packaging. So we have the strap, and let's take this AirTag out. Okay, let's begin the setup. So take this out of its protective thing, and you just have to pull, and you'll hear that sound knowing it's activated. And as I previously said, it's got the Apple AirTag and Hermes branding. Right, so we come to the instructions. We put it in here first, very much like the keyring. So I'll pop that in. Okay, like so.
One eternity later.
Okay, I've finally figured out how to do it. I had to literally get the instructions out, but this is how it looks. There we go. And now we just need to put it on the bag itself. And as I previously said, this is in one of my favourite pinks, Rose Sakura. And coincidentally, it matches my Kelly wallet. Really nice.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, this is what the Hermes AirTag bag charm looks like on the bag itself. In this demonstration, I've put it on a Kelly 25 in Mauve Celeste, which is a different shade of pink with, I would say, a purple undertone. But you can see the Rose Sakura is quite a bit lighter. I think that looks really good, and the only thing I actually need to do now is add it to the Find My app. As simple as that, it is now set up. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you in the next one for the AirPods Pro. Thanks for watching.